And Jagan Mohan Reddy now joins us on India Decides at 9. Thank you so much, Jagan, for joining us on this program. Now, the Congress High Command seems to be a bit upset with you, especially after that visit to Warangal, despite what the party and what the High Command was saying.
No, Vikram, here I'd like you to understand one thing, Vikram. Please do not bring in High Command into this picture. The reason being, I have a lot of faith in Madam and I revere a lot. I revere her and I have a lot of faith in her. And please do not even give an impression of some kind of wall in between us. Yes, Mr. Veerappa Moily did give a statement because he was probably misfed with some kind of information. And now that I am in Delhi, I will also be meeting Mr. Veerappa Moily ji and also Ahmed Patel ji also, and clarifying whatever misinformation what has been given. But as far as this is concerned, I do hold Madam Gandhi ji, Madam, in very high pedestal.
Okay, there's a perception among sections of the Congress party that this tour, just the latest in a series of acts that almost smack of rebellion against the party leadership. Are you saying that's not happening and you're not in any way going against what the party is telling you to do?
Basically, you need to understand one thing, Vikram. So, you need to get into the details of how this Odar Piyatra or this consoling tour of mine, how it originated. In fact, 9 months back, when my father passed away, when I had visited the place of the crash, the place where I actually lost my father, that is Pavarala Gutta, at that particular location, at that particular place of the crash, in this condolence meeting what actually took place, you can have your records verified on this count. In that particular condolence meeting, at that particular place where my dad passed away, I gave a promise on the dais. I said I will visit every family who has given up their life for my dad. As a son, I owe it to him. It is my responsibility to do so. To the people who lost their families for my father, I owe it to them. I owe it to my father.
So you're saying you almost went there in a personal sort of a manner. It had nothing to do with politics. But whatever it was, it did lead to a law and order problem in those areas.
Because the fact is, Etal Rajendra, TRS stalwart, he is not from Warangal district. Neither is he, nor Mehbubabad, where that incident took place. Harish Rao, another nephew of Mr. KCR of TRS and also a stalwart of TRS, he is also not from Mehbubabad nor from Warangal district. And then this Kodandaram, another personality of a staunch TRS supporter, I would say, is also a non-local of Warangal or Mehbubabad district. And these people were there in Mehbubabad, mobilized 2,000 people, outsiders, encamped in function halls, and were also encamped in one particular engineering college.
Tuba.com